about see Babu League now.
You see, almost can one MCC or Parliament. You go to Samia Okumu, say Samia Okukasa. Yenti no.
So, first of all, extend deepest condolences to the bereaved family and to the deceased. So, Speaker, there are 4 things that excite passion and inflames passion within our society. These 4 things for me: 1, football; 2, religion; 3, ethnic issues; and also 4, political issues. What is before us today is association football. Right Honorable Speaker, in contributing to the statement made by the Honorable colleague Member of Parliament, I would also like us to also situate the matter. You cannot separate these acts of vandalism, hooliganism, and riotous behavior of fans also from sometimes poor officiating. If we cast our mind back to many of the issues around the world, anytime you have these huge disagreements among fans, at the heart of it has been a refereeing decision one way or the other. I would like us to also get the Referees Association of Ghana and the Football Administration to also pay keen attention to sometimes bad officiating or questionable officiating. I'm saying this because in today's football world, it's no longer what it used to be under the good days of Wilberforce Infum, the golden boy Abdul Razak and co, where football was played just to excite people or to entertain people. This time around, it's become a very commercial venture. And people get into these stands knowing very well and working out the odds on what they intend to achieve at the end of the day. I believe these acts of hooliganism are despicable, and it is about time that we don't just pay lip service to these matters when they are raised, but also get the law enforcement agencies to also enforce the laws. One of the main issues that for me continue to also agitate my mind has to do with the issue of citing drinking spots and beer bars around these stadia and sports facilities. One, you cannot enter the stadium with alcohol, but the people just take it before entering. So they enter, and by the time that they reach that peak, that is when the match is also at this height. So one, we also have to be clear on the modalities and the guidelines and what we can also have around the various
with regard to hooliganism around our football. KWAME, MCA Nautie Samuel Ku in some last parts of Kurana or Yebemo as a drinking bars and also can be bars around to or Buransan or the Ebura Stadium. Bravo no so muton in South
Pacho me Busawa Semo, Biggie and Kabe Buamia, my feature. Me Pacho set discussion across our parliament.
Pacho, I cross the crisis.
Me Pacho around near drinking spot for Juana. Oh, me you man. I'm zooming. I'm just assuming. So
I'm just assuming.
So the honorable person Cheney say, and I'm drinking spot here around various stadiums in Intino. Nipani Ura Stadium no okonomonsa. Or the Ura Stadium ana or the Aqua yes annual. Nampacho ope baby bakwa. In some who so call pana, parliament.
And dear Mr. Adaroma, KWAME, me need him and Pacho. What dear Mr. Uncle, what dear Mr. No, Pacho, what was you, Maybe so good to Jim, but the Mr. Adaroma. Oh, Mamma Manusia, Wadaroma, with all due respect, Mr. What dear. In Chai, Ticasa, Wachia, sign of one, Mr. Nidium, Matrias. But me Pacho say, baby. Ibianyama ufu se enchaye
Nancy vet na ekoso de na ekoso ho
o de
be assembly wo ha
but
Nancy vet na ekoso enye honorable fu ya na nkonya na sifu ya oti ase se sa time no obi enu ho wura ho a na se bi wa kwa no monsa. So the fact say a tongue in south around stadium na nche se obi wurem na okono monsa odi kodi se bi nsem stadium ho na mi tie nsem ni nyina no baby na mpese metene ye say yaka problems na no ba yetimi enforce solutions ni ye dey de bia problems na nkwa na ye kan kwaku
asemo
yaka problems na nkwa
bia ye
problems officiating a problem officiating a problem then na mo so mo ye de aboa where your problem then na ban so e ya aboa ma mo hyemra ne de na mo ya de aboa ye football no e ma sa nyoma no nyina nsi but de bia no e we na ye say we na kofa by we na ye say but then na mo implement solutions ni ye dey
biggie
koko ma mention say em free Samuel Ukunsema na talk about drinking sports na there. It could be one of the reasons into be be stadium no akwa basa meji atum sa. Nemum. Misano metena no sun treso kaka. Na papa bi wo ho na efre me toshe free na on the day of election koku so unim say yentonsa. Ye mie sports just abo anwume be 6.
Yeah.
Papa ne kwa akoto aba no wabo. And a police in Ibiza say, and now ye to abano, over to abawabo. Unya son or he fa, waba say our boat, Nani Pacona will be a sport at home Samano, young Connie and Cocheno, and also I buy and run a mitoshe frigim. And the papa near friend mitoshe frigim. Nipa wire na gene say, obedi the bonino. And found baby are drinking sports in a walk. Obekwa kwa nominensa, no the ababa betenase. Some men no munsa was antasi run about. Men no munsa wa hojo run about. Nema free one ma stadium emu nwa. It is a sport was stadium. Sport in stadium. Among for obi a wire na dwen so obeno munsa. No baba be yes bi niema ensem fata was stadium no. Obeno munsa dia baba be yes ade no. It is about putting measures in place. They be ameka say the difference between yen any abrofo no. I am not being racist. But the difference between yen and omo ye mra. Obi ba no monsa na sabi odi akwa ye de odi be ye wo man mu ha ebia ye be gyae no because e nipa asemesi adamfo ba e nipa asemesi nua e we wo fa ase but e honom no abusua panyini bia ni wo no obetu ne na esi asem ne so asem ne ye bedi ni anwuri pomasi bre oman bia ye ndi asem a ye siesi asem bia oman ne nkoso kuma ye siesi asem too much eni ti do oman ne nkoso no asem ne ba e se ye di dia wire bone no near the gira mra nanim. That is the only difference. And ya baby are drinking sports in the war. It is a son obi no maba bedin se munu was stadium a sabi manusi sumna so obetimi anom ne baby no the free one maba stadium no baba be ye de obeye owia ne agya no cost scot free. So the bottom line is that my stadium ne say a ground to be a obi ni obi wo asem obetimi akwa hia ne ho no wabo no wafa ne ho adi Ghana hanom sa na stadium ne yaye unu obi wa asem obetimi ateta no aba stadium no abebo because obo was stadium a enko ba bia asem ne fa football ho na bibi boni bi nya sipe ne ya hwa asem ne tra eno na wo say yesesa free sa de ne ho eno na say yesesa free ho and he was talking about officiating eno krepa ade ba ko a eya eni so obi betini team what players why coaches afọ nkrofo we nyina atu omo kabosome bonuses ne ade nyina abebamadwie na nipa ba ko decide so no de game na oba be gina mfimfin no okita score line bi woni bottom no de ba park ne so e ya de ba ko e ya pa e wo football mu then you make it look like e wo krompo yin say nipa ne beti team no atwani because no matter the kind of football or baba bebo I just ordinary results our park and so no who the score line a show bottom na wo dane ade no and yebeka hooliganism nye e no kre but bibi to so to da ankoka papa enye grade hwede see between Elmina Sharks and the All Blacks game no what happened per reports are nyaye for that I unconfirmed do but per reports I nya ye kire say referee ne kwan na offer so di ball no e ma supporters ni bufuye
but biggie ne kwame say abrofo boy na no na Madrid for the dwapa but me hu say ewie yakoburu refill abrofo ne de no omo ye mistakes part say the Ghana de ne eye omo kwa de me show kwa so omo ye mistakes because with VAR any mistakes no omo ye mistakes they do but omo build a system bi wo ho no matter how angry you are with the referee me who so be at TC Park so I could brew if it said they have much official creative TC Park so no I could brew into no then yes so ya be ya mistakes no the association will deal with them
and on them rana me ka
exactly but Obin say and also support him fe before say me ko brew refi because ebia ese so je pa obi wanje
no matter before show mu personally my stadium akwa hebo any obi anya ntokwada it was because na otunsu akwa so also referee in the ball ni na ye Kotoko game ne bofu and omu sisi Kotoko na mse fine dey wo ye no wo fi uta wo dokumasi Asante Kotoko na wo ye sa. But don't forget, sa de na wo ye ni mom no e de how be bra de na wo na wo se se wo do no because e be wie Kotoko ne e be ban no ban no fine wo ntua sika ni bi na wo ko fie so wo ho enti say ye de mra ne ye adwumu a no matter bufu e be hye obi akomam on tibi ntinsi park so no nkonko bo obi
kwame
kwagu ede na eba ya yebenya bossman ruling se bibi na sie ani yebenya bossman ruling mebo okay say ye pesi etu sa anwoma we nyina ase after inua poli de no ebi nsan koso
akoso
se ye chi nipa no na nipa no emrantim ni na ndia ti de meka ne emrantim ni na ndia next time de otene nchen no ebe the same thing by say ye wo mra bi say udi nsemu wa agopama no ho so ni e bobo ya pon ye mpo ne ye chewa ye twa sentence ama obe 2-3 months a next time ye chi obi a anhwe a so nkoye ba ye krom ase de ne mrofo de na wo ka no broni krom no nioma we koso pa wo ye chi nipa na emra ne di ye de ne kotu fiase
say we support a crack with the player temwa ye ti me che no tum what I say so why
so imagine say
fa ne mamra ne adwuma
imagine say the na me ma bossman ruling na ye bibi na buy no say bibi tell say pole law
okay
utere me ka pole law se wodi nsem no wo stadium ne echewa wakotu nsuo watu eni echewa pole law say ye do kotu fiati 2 months de make an what must
say de wo kana se
enti wo se enyamra bi a ebe hye ye keten say
emra ne de wo ho
Debio,
but we don't enforce it.
Stadium no, menim emra e wo stadium we achi obi edi kotum say.
Kwame, ye nuanom Kotoko game ni nation safety. Ye nuanom na omo attack referee no. Allegedly omo attack referee no.
Yeah.
Enyam
Abib mu ne baba.
Assemble that so ko. That's what court intimran dey wo ho. Just that we don't enforce it.
Difference wo me say e wo ho. By when e wo say e be ye enhye.
Enti na make say enforce sam ade no.
Nipa na ekono onim say okoye bibi ni echi na onim si echi no ko ya 2 months 3 months bi de enti si ya ma ade no ya nhye sa ade na
no ni asam no
de bi obi ba koye sa ade
no ni asam no me slam
bosam na ye di nkomo bia na concerning ye Ghana Premier League ya resumption any ade na
house abitwe Kotoko na
men ka se house abitwe Kotoko
house atwe ne ho ana
house ntwe ne ho
house bebo match ana
house bebo match
Kotoko bebo match ana
Kotoko more match
o ma bitwe o mo ana
debi ya let's have
let me be some questions questions no say me sure say what yi ni na no yi
sa
me no nyina na akoba bi say e pese ya de
yeah
me te se wo kwa akobo match me so me se me mo na say na no na elders ka say enema na Kotoko fo e ka no ye we bi wo ho na house fo ye den egitum but na house egitum na e be mi no say ayi bebre wa na house fo no nyeden omo nyintum ba ko fo no ma na ye say omo ne house na ye den ayi bibibia
baking area ya ne safoduku edi nkomo no spokesperson na de makomasi Asante Kotoko what sisudia say ebia by the close of ene omre had to folk as the joint statement e ba bonten
okay
yes
and for the
wanka
o se e ba na
yebehu die wom
ntie bia ebe ba na house aka se de bi omo match na se
body do mebo
number match joint statement bi
in regard to niema bi omo pese GF for the
omo fangu akwan mo
but the body dey nyame ade
many boss na make because all train for the ball and ba ko kobo enti man business joint statement for
enti o ready na lawyer kana or say omuntimi share house of folk chinchine semen kobobo. So it means that there is a communication between house of folk and Kotoko.
House communicated
because based on the lawyer kind of say omuntimi share house for
bit me I don't person
yes
but omotomochi okay
and nkomona ye di ni nyina nso no sebo be koso sebo nkoso no my room fit enye Kumasi Asante Kotoko ne ka se ma league nkoso asem ni si ye no na Kotoko mponya ma abonten and a football association ne say almost suspend all football activities. And we should make it look like Kumasi Asante Kotoko say ma Ghana Premier League maso Debbie and sana Asante Kotoko nanka sa den stand say but said ya to mu say si ane de so no Kotoko kobo liga okobo bola enye ye enti ebia na upon consultation omo have to folk edi nkomo ama have to folk decide say ebia for now na de omo person omo bobo and ultimately blame have to folk and until na me ka say me who say have to folk abi twa Kumasi Asante Kotoko because nkomo na ye di no e Asante Kotoko na asem ato no Asante Kotoko na ebia say sia only in the right frame of mind to play football because they be America football no ken e adwini mo adwuma enti ebia Asante Kotoko players Asante Kotoko officials Asante Kotoko technical team and any in the right frame of mind to play football right now but had to folk there am I ready to move betimi abo and the nyina ya gitum say ene ma na Asante Kotoko ne had to folk ibisa to omonye no enye ni nyina na betimi aya ni manimu ya the other time na pen kakra kan say ene ma na omo bisa no omo gitum say enye ni nyina na betimi aya ni manimu ya enti no possibly Asante Kotoko aye ken ebia na de aya ni manimu ya no mpanifo decide so omo be because we ya there is a write up secretary on social media say Ghana Football Association president aganti interview akasa or say among force who are wanting say football in here reforms e was say near masesa and they say so omo tie nipa na yesu abonten no because omo no ye football ni ma omo enti ebia possibly na de e was say ni manimu ya etimi de ye adwuma no Football Association dey be ye adwuma ma football na to aso and my room feel so emfi say meetings ba ko Asante Kotoko decide say there was static training Asante Kotoko decide say there was training the fact that we training as an chess our bomb match and not be bomb match but at least and also chess they are taking certain steps because omo put everything football on hold ana bibia nko so senior team ni mo but the senior team they started training
and I learn say yes players be affect omo pa
yes
was Poli no only woman na mo
only players be very
close
very close
the be abas no di omo nim ba bi omo ko bi odi omo nim nti affect players be again and also so omo ye ho adwuma as a club
yes
so omo the players no omo nye obi a
Poli there can the way I know si ben team no before the 1 week ana chairman Alexander Menu Kasem bi na meeting no na me nyansu kra bi su o say se Kotoko fo mpanyimfo eye bibia na omo po bia frɛ ne say onye quick nko ye bibi wa ha say ma oma de omo frɛ ne ye Poli
the pomo de kan frɛ no
frɛ ne say ye meeting na
o ya available time bia
na omo ye nhyehyɛ for 1 week no we yi phone na omo hia bibi we yi phone be frɛ Poli say onko fa bibi mbra no refi say nipa na omo ye no onye nhyehyɛ na ye me te sanse man kam yesu
okay let's see
na me yesu
okay
personally my experience ni bida me ma me free mo no after the year 1 week ni we me kwa Accra me do Accra na me fa phone frame na me frame sister ka che ne say on kan che me ma me say me kwa Accra na me come Accra no it be dialing the number na me ka ye na me ka te no ka kana mu say me sister frame me back me pick ye na me ka che ne say oh nka me bisa na semba me refi into the message friend che
it me yourself
yes it happens
okay influence me baba to am komodie so enche me di nkomo bebre me